Hello everyone. So in the last video you learnt about the general characteristics of phylum Coelenterata. So today in this video you will learn about the classification of phylum Coelenterates. So according to Hyman, here the phylum Coelenterate has been classified as three classes. So class 1 Hydrozoa, class 2 Scyphozoa, class 3 Anthozoa. So first let us know about class Hydrozoa. So class Hydrozoa, in Greek word Hydra means water, zois means animal. So here Hydrozoa, that means water animal. So the characteristics of class Hydrozoa, here these organisms are solitary, freshwater or colonial and marine, sessile and free swimming forms. That means here solitary, that is single, they grow in freshwater, or group wise they grow in marine. So either they attach to the substratum or free swimming form. So hence these organisms or hydrozoans are solitary and freshwater or colonial and marine, sessile and free swimming forms. So they exhibit tetramerous or polymerous radial symmetry. So you already know the meaning of radial symmetry. So here tetramerous, that means body can be divided into 4 equal parts. In the tetra means 4. Poly means many. So body can be divided into many parts. So here these organisms either tetramerous or polymerous radial symmetry. So the body wall of the organism, here the presence of outer ectoderm, inner endoderm, which separated by the non-cellular mesoglia. Okay, so you can see in this diagram. So here example is Hydra. So this is the Hydra. So when we are taking the section, that is LS of the Hydra, here it shows ectoderm, endoderm, in between that presence of mesoglia. So this outer layer is ectoderm, inner layer is endoderm. In between that there is a presence of non-gelatinous, so or non-cellular mesoglia is present. So the gastrovascular cavity or the enteron coelenteron cavity. So gastrovascular cavity without stomodium. So without stomodium. So septa or nematocyst bearing gastric filament. So gastrovascular cavity. So here gastrovascular cavity means here this cavity. Okay, so enteron we are also calling as enteron. So enteron cavity or gastrovascular cavity here. So without stomidium. So here stomidium means is a tubular gullet extending from the mouth to some distance into the coelenteron. So that means tubular gullet which extend from the mouth. So here that is absent. So without stomidium. Septa means here wall that contains many division or small parts. So that is calling as septa. So here septa or nematocyst that bears gastric filament. So you already know nematocyst which work as a or act as a defense organ. Okay, gotta ide ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ function ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ nematocyst. So it kills the prey. So here this nematocyst which contain a toxic or a poisonous toxin. So that is made of some protein and phenol. Okay, so nematocyst bearing gastric filament to kill the prey or paralyze the prey. Then here the skeleton. So skeleton in some form perisarc, and in the some other form coenosarc. So perisarc, that is the protective skeleton, and here coenosarc in the other forms which secretes the calcium carbonate. Okay, so here secretion of calcium carbonate that forming the massive stony structure or coral. Okay, so massive stony structure or also calling as corals. So skeleton, perisarc or coenosarc. Then they exhibit polymorphism. So you already know polymorphism. Here it contains two type of zooids. So polyp and medusa. So medusa provide with true muscular vellum. So here true muscular vellum means true membrane. So medusa that provided with true muscular vellum. And here hydrozoa exhibits alternation of generation. That means polyp generation alters with medusoid generation, that is asexual generation alters with the sexual generation. So hence the hydrozoans exhibit alternation of generation. Then here the reproduction. So reproduction product or sex cells are ectodermal in origin. So you can see here. So this is the ectodermal region. Okay. So in this ectodermal region, the sex cell or reproductive products are origin. So here the testis and ovary. So these are located or originated from the ectodermal region. So here reproduction products or sex cells are ectodermal in origin. So here the formation of ciliated planula larva in hydrozoans. So example Hydra, Obelia, Hydractinia, Tubellaria, Pennaria, etc. So these are the example Hydra, one of these. So here Hydra you can see here. So in class Hydrozoa, solitary and freshwater organisms, and some are colonial and marine. They are sessile and free swimming form. So they exhibit tetramerous or polymerous radial symmetry. Body wall is, that is diploblastic, presence of outer ectoderm and inner endoderm which separated by non-cellular mesoglia. So gastrovascular cavity without stomodium, septonematocyst bearing gastric filament. So skeleton here perisarc, coenosarc. Coenosarc secrete a skeletal of calcium carbonate which forms a massive stony structure that is calling as coral. Then they exhibit polymorphism. So here polyp and medusa, two type of zooids. So medusa provide with true muscular vellum and they exhibit alternation of generation, okay, and formation of planula larva. Okay, so this is about the class Hydrozoa. So next class is Scyphozoa. So Scyphozoa, in Greek Scypho means cup, zoa means animal. So here the organisms are cup like, so cup like animals. So this Scyphozoa includes large jellyfishes or true medusae which are exclusively marine forms. So here in the Scyphozoa, which includes large jellyfishes or true medusae which are exclusively marine form. So marine water alli irutte jellyfishes or true medusae. So medusae are large, bell or umbrella shaped. Okay, so here medusae are bell or umbrella or cup shaped without vellum. So free swimming or they attach to the arboreal stalk. Okay, so here they are attached and arboreal by arboreal stalk. So bell or umbrella shaped. medusae. The marginal sense organ, see in this diagram, so like this, cup or bell or umbrella shaped. Okay, so bell shape or cup shape. So here presence of tentacles. So these are marginal tentacles are the sense organ that is calling as tentaculocyst. Okay, so marginal tentacles that contains sense organ. So marginal sense organs that is calling as tentaculocyst. So here polypoid generation is absent. Okay, so polypoid generation absent are represented by small polyp. Then scyphistoma, which gives rise to medusa by strobilization. Okay, so strobilization means it is a asexual reproduction by transfer division of the body into segments which develop into separate individuals. Okay, so strobilization means it is a asexual reproduction which by transfer division of the body into a many segments. So those segments which develop into a separate individuals are zooid. So medusa is a zooid. So here scyphistoma which gives rise to medusa by strobilization or transfer division. Gastrovascular cavity without stomidium. Okay, so here also the gastrovascular system without stomidium with gastric filaments. So here may or may not be divided into 4 interradial pockets by septa. So here this gastrovascular system without stomidium, the presence of gastric filaments, and may or may not be divided into 4 interradial pocket by septa. So I already said what is the meaning of septa. It is the wall which dividing a cavity or structure into smaller ones. Okay. Then mesoglia. So here mesoglia is cellular in the hydrozoa, mesoglia non-cellular. In scyphozoa, mesoglia is cellular. Then gonads are ectodermal. Okay, so gonads. So here, so these are the gonads or gonadal pockets. So here gonads are endodermal in origin. So in the hydrozoa, gonads are or sex cells are ectodermal origin, but here the sex cells are endodermal in origin. Okay, so example Aurelia. Aurelia is nothing but jellyfish. Xenia, rhizostoma, etc. So in the scyphozoa, the animals are cup shaped animals. So large jellyfish, which includes large jellyfishes, are true medusae and they are exclusively marine form. So bell or umbrella shaped without vellum, and they are free swimming, or some are attached by arboreal stalk. So marginal sense organ here tentaculocyst, and polypoid generation absent. Okay, or it represented by a small polyp. And here medusa, that is formed by the strobilization. Then gastrovascular cavity without stomidium, presence of gastric filament. Mesoglia is cellular and gonads are ectodermal in origin. Okay, so gonads are sex cells. So this is about the class Scyphozoa. Thank you.